It's me. Shit, Nardo. What is a tale? How does a novel pick up paper? How many words equal an equation? Does a moment matter? An author captures the moments. This is a darling tale of man in space. The journey to the light.
Isn't it a shame how now I'm the one that got away? The kiss you never tasted.